Are you ready to guess some sounds? Guess with Sherry. Let's jump straight in. I'm bringing you the first sound right now. Sound number 1. What do you hear?
Oh,
You heard a can of soda being opened and someone taking a sip. Sound number 2. What do you hear?
oh,
You heard a marble being rolled. Sound number 3. What do you hear?
oh,
You heard someone cutting with scissors. Sound number 4. What do you hear?
don't tell me, oh,
You heard a stapler clicking away. Sound number 5. What do you hear?
oh,
You heard someone stirring a spoon in a cup. Sound number 6. What do you hear?
oh, I know, oh.
You heard paper being ripped. Sound number 7. What do you hear?
Oh, what's that?
You heard someone eating crunchy food. Sound number 8. What do you hear?
Aha! I know.
You heard a cat purring loudly. Sound number 9. What do you hear?
Ooh,
You heard a table tennis ball bouncing. And the last one, sound number 10. What do you hear?
Oh, that one's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You heard a zipper going up and down. How did you do at guessing all the sounds? Well done. See you in the next video.